How to send email to multiple recipients individually. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail, then log into your account. Then click on the pen-like option which is in bottom right corner of your screen. Click on that. After clicking on that, this kind of screen will pop up. Add your subject and add your email. Then click on To add email of a person and again add another. As you can see, 2 person is being added in this email. Click on send and it will be sent individually. That's how you send email to multiple recipients individually. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.